defensive action is required. Would you like me to deploy our new anti-creature defense mechanism? This target is running towards a larger female creature that may pose a bigger threat. There is a creature 20 meters ahead on a bicycle. I recommend a direct assault to neutralize the target. The target was missed. I advise you to move towards higher grounds. That hill ahead is the highest point in the area. It will allow you to have a vantage point of enemies approaching. There is a creature approaching behind you. Another creature is merging from your right. I recommend taking immediate defensive action. An attack resulting in a possible fatality is not recommended. I believe it is also illegal to do so. Shall I recommend using our new anti-creature defense mechanism? I have been programmed to assist you with all of your needs. My specialties are defensive and attacking strategies. However, I am also able to conduct research to help you acquire a better understanding of your surroundings. I am sorry, but that exceeds my programming capabilities. Yes, I am equipped with some entertainment capabilities. May I suggest playing a song perhaps? Shuffling through songs folder, playing requested song genre.
Yeah!